Hello. Welcome to my channel, Roots and Roads. तो चलिए एपिसोड 1 की हम शुरुआत करते हैं पूना से। पूना में मिलेंगे हमारे दो दोस्त प्रमोद और साई से, एंड फ्रॉम देयर वील टेक अ जर्नी टू द कोंकण बेल्ट। यू हर्ड अस राइट। वहाँ पे हम चलेंगे आपको रायगढ़ दिखाने। रायगढ़ देखने के बाद हम दिखाएंगे कि हमने कैंपिंग कहाँ किया। पूना शहर एक सपनों की नगरी, एंड हम बस ऐसे ही एक सपने की शुरुआत इसी जगह से करेंगे। It's been my home and I have fond memories growing up here and I have made the best friends for life. आज इन्हीं दोस्तों के साथ कुछ मीठे पल बिताने हम चल पड़ेंगे कोंकण की ओर, covering beaches after beaches, fun after fun, adventure after adventure, all the way from Ratnagiri and ending to the northern tip of Goa, a place called Arambol. So I took the Duronto Express yesterday from Hyderabad to Pune, and अब हम पुणे में पूरे बोरिया बिस्तर के साथ निकल चुके हैं on the way to get a cab. बुक करेंगे हम रैपिडो, सीधा चलेंगे पिंपरी चिंचवड़। वहाँ पे मिलेंगे हमारे दोस्त प्रमोद को, एंड आज की रात प्रमोद के घर पे हम सोएंगे। वहाँ पे जाके कैंपिंग का इक्विपमेंट थोड़ा बहुत बाकी है शॉपिंग करना, वो ले लेंगे, पैकिंग करेंगे। कार भी वहीं पे आएगी दोस्त की, उस पर पूरा सामान भरेंगे और फिर निकलेंगे कल सुबह। तो चलो प्रमोद के घर। So finally we are here and we're in Pune, और अभी जो हम ये जो ट्रिप करने वाले हैं वह ये हमारा बेस कैंप होने वाला है, बिकॉज I've come to Pramod's house. He's a school time friend and this is the start of our journey. So this series is going to be pretty exciting and we're going to be doing loads of fun. We're going to explore the Konkan belt. But yeah, it all starts here, so we stay with us. It's going to be exciting. The three of us who are going to be meeting up, and this is it. I'm all set to surprise him. So he knows we're here. He knows we're here. I hope he's just dressed well to welcome me. Ta-da! So the lift is open. We are on the 5th floor, and this is Mr. Lanka's house. Mr. Lanka, ting tong. भाई मेहमान को बुलाते हो तुम ऐसे भारतते हो यार, this is unfair यार. Yep. So this is Mr. Pramod. Pramod, thanks man, dude. Awesome. So yeah, this is it. This is going to be the hub for our journey. Meet you soon. Yes. Thanks. And hi, public तैयार हो चुकी है. Early in the morning, it's 5 a.m. सुबह कॉफ़ी का आनंद ले रहे. This is Pramod. And what we did was, to set perspective, is हम लोग यहाँ पिंपरी में रुके थे. I stayed at Pramod's house on Wednesday. We were working, we finished working. शाम को ही हम लोग ने पूरा कार वार पूरा पैक कर लिया. हमारा और एक दोस्त हमें पिकअप करने आ रहा है अभी. तो प्लान क्या है वैसे कि हम जा रहे हैं कोंकण बेल्ट. Exactly. So this is beautiful Ratnagiri and we'll be hitting the Ratnagiri stretch, and this is going to be different. This is going to be very different because ये जो trip है it's going to be purely camping. We're going to go via Ratnagiri. We come all the way down into Goa, and from Goa we come back into Pune. So that's the trip, and this is going to be a camping trip. 80% camping trip होने वाला. अभी कितना हम करते हैं camping. This is the first time. So yeah, stay with us and see how it is. We never done camping before. Many years ago, but of course that time equipment वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं था. But अब है, तो चलिए देखिए आगे क्या होता है. We've got our tents. We've got cooking gear and it's going to be fun, and you're going to be staying with me, which is Roots and Roads, our channel. I don't know how it's going to go, but this is the first time that we're ever starting a YouTube channel. But be with us. With every turn, I believe there is an adventure that will follow. और हर एडवेंचर के साथ बैग तो पैक करना ही पड़ता है, राइट? तो हमने भी वही किया. ऑल बैग पैक, ऑल इक्विपमेंट डन, सब चेक ओवर. और अब हम सीधा मिलेंगे नीचे पार्किंग पे, जहाँ पे हमारी गाड़ी हमें पिकअप करने आ रही है मिस्टर साई की. ओके, और अब हम आ चुके हैं. ये है हमारी सवारी. दिस इज़ एक्सीलेंट स्विफ्ट डिज़ायर ऑटोमेटिक. रोड तो पक्का ले लेगा भाई, बिकॉज काफ़ी अच्छा सा रोड है, गुड टेरेन है. और इनके जो मालिक हैं, यहाँ पे हम घूमेंगे हमारे बचपन के मित्र साई. सो 3 of us all set to go on a trip, and we're going to load सामान. और it's quite snippy, not very, but little bit snippy, and we're all going to be going. भाई हमने तो शुरू कर दिया हमारा जर्नी लेकर प्रभु का नाम, पर भैया आप कहाँ चले? बने रहो, अभी तो पूरा सफ़र बाकी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टॉप या. तो अभी हम लोग पहुंचे ऑन द वे टू पिरंगुट, राइट? सो दैट्स द प्लान.
नहीं गोइंग टुवर्ड्स राजगढ़. वी आर स्टिल टू क्रॉस पिरंगुट.
ओके, तो वील बी क्रॉसिंग पिरंगुट. वी स्टॉप्ड फॉर सम गुड टी. इट्स नॉट वेरी कोल्ड, ठीक ठाक ही है. इट विल बी अराउंड आई थिंक 21-22 डिग्रीज. and that's the plan. So काका हमें बढ़िया गरम चाय स्पेशल बनाने बोला ना काका को. स्पेशल चाय बनाया काका ने, एकदम कम मीठा, मोनाको बिस्किट के साथ. वाह 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 वाह, मजा आ गया. You know, Lord Buddha once said, every morning we are born again. What we do today matters the most. And with that thought, I'll leave you with the spectacular images from the Mulshi Dam. After this is just a 2 hours drive to Raigad Fort, and we'll take you there next. We are here. This is, if you can see, we're going to a fort called Raigad Fort. And this is a very important historic monument. We'll talk more about that a little bit later, but we are now here buying ticket for Raigad Fort, and hopefully stay with us because we're going to show you how the ropeway goes. We go right up to Raigad and we'll take you through the fort and the details. Stay tuned. So अब हम खड़े हैं टिकट के लाइन पे, and this ticket is for the ropeway. And zoom in a little bit. So here you are, you can see those cars on top. Let me zoom in more. Yep, so that's where we're going. And we'll take you up, and from there we'll give you a good tour. So while we're trying this really funny fast forward clip or filter, the goal is to actually take you up Raigad Fort. We've got some amazing 360 Insta360 footage. Hopefully we will try and edit it and put it at the end of this video so you can have a look of the fort and the journey while we went up the ropeway. So see you soon. हमारा यहाँ ऑडियो बिल्कुल ख़राब हो गया था तो मैंने किया वॉइस ओवर एंड व्हाट वी वांटेड टू टेल यू इज़ दैट वी वर रियली टायर्ड रोमिंग द फोर्ट सो वी केम डाउन हैड अ डिसेंट लंच एंड आफ्टर लिटिल वाइल वी मूव्ड आउट ऑन अ जर्नी फॉरवर्ड. ओके सो अभी मैं आगे आ गया हूँ, साई स्टिल ऑन द ड्राइवर सीट और हमारे एक आदमी पीछे सो रहे हैं. तो वी लेफ्ट रायगढ़ एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली नाउ it's nice and hot. The sun is at its peak. We've got another 3 hours more to drive. And what's the place, guys, that we're going?
Ladgarh.
It's called Ladgarh. It's a beach area and typically on the Konkan belt. So I will show you the map and you'll get an idea of where we are going. We came right up from Mulchi. We left Pune, we hit Mulchi. From Mulchi, we came over here to this fort. From here, we're going now and we're going to hit the coastal area. And once we hit the coastal area, and once I show you the map, we come down, straight down, niche aayenge bhai, and we end the trip at Goa, a place called Arambol, which is the north of Goa, the tip of Goa, just the moment you enter Goa. And from there, we go back to Pune via Kolhapur. So that's the trip, and yeah, we'll be showing you more. So stay tuned. हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन पहुंच गए और जगह का नाम है लाडघर. यू हर्ड इट राइट, LADGHAR. और इट्स इन द कोंकण बेल्ट इटसेल्फ. तो ये जो जगह पे हम लोग आए थे, ये भैया को हमने फ़ोन किया एंड वी टोल्ड हिम भैया हमको कोंकण फिश प्लेट, नॉनवेज प्लेट दो, और हमारा एक भाई का उपास है जो खिचड़ी खा रहे हैं. सो इफ यू कैन सी दैट्स प्रमोद. तो जगह है, तो दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे हम कैंप करेंगे. एंड आप लोग से एक समस्या और एक दिक्कत की बात शेयर करना चाहूँगा जो हमेशा कोई बात नहीं करता. हम बोलते हैं कैंपिंग जाएंगे, मज़ा मारेंगे, कहाँ पे भी रुकेंगे टेंट, बट एक्चुअली जो टेंट लेना जो है, और महाराष्ट्र या आप कोंकण एरिया कहाँ पे भी जाओ, वेयर एवर यू गो, इट इज़ नॉट परमिसिबल बाय लॉ. यू कांट डू इट. The only way that you allowed to camp, the only way that you allowed to set up a tent जहाँ पे आपने परमिशन लिया हो, और परमिशन का दिक्कत होता है. तो हम लोग अभी 3-4 जगह बाय द कोस्ट लाइन, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस, अमेजिंग बीचेस, वी वेंट, वी चेक्ड, वी आस्क्ड पीपल. फाइनली सरप्राइज है, वी विल शो यू द लोकेशन. वी गॉट एन ऑसम टेबल टॉप बीच व्यू. वी आस्क्ड द पर्सन, इट्स अ प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी, दे अलाउड अस, and it's going to be open, it's going to be raw. So this is, as all of you already know, it's a first time camping for us, but it's going to be fun. We are going to explore and I'm going to keep sharing with you guys what are the real problems. ठीक है, तो एक प्रॉब्लम तो आपको बोल दिया टेंट का. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम जो हमारे भाई लोग हमेशा हमको पूछते रहते हैं, खास करके हमारे जो प्रमोद भाई है, कि भाई सुबह का कार्यक्रम कैसा है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. कार्यक्रम भाई पेट साफ करना होता है, खाली होना है, फ्रेश होना है, जो हम बोलते हैं, राइट. व्हाट विल यू डू, वेयर विल यू गो, how will you do all of that? So there are two options, and again no one tells you that, right? Either you go out in the field, gadda khodo, organic waste dispose karo, and come back. Carry your own water if you're going to secluded places like we are in right now. Or the other option is find yourself a room, camp outside, go to the room, pay the guy 100, 200, 300, whatever it is, have a bath, take a dump, become fresh, and then go on your way. So these are a couple of issues which we found, and I thought of sharing that with you. Okay, like I said, we're going to show you exactly what we're eating, and if you look at it, this is a comprehensive meal. Pramod, unfortunately or fortunately, उपास का खाना खा रहे हैं, तो वो खा रहे हैं खिचड़ी, और ये जो है authentic meal. Sorry for all you veg guys, but this is purely non-vegetarian, and this is Bangla fish fry, which is a staple. And wherever you go in these restaurants, they're going to serve you this. and it's crispy. If you can look at this, it's dipped in rava and then a lot of masala, vinegar, lime, and then it's deep fried. And this is made out of, it's called sol curry. This is a gravy. You get chapatis and then you get rice, and then some bit of onions and lime. So it's a simple meal but a delicious meal. And I'm going to start and I'm going to dig in and I'm going to tell you how tasty it is, right? So we'll catch you back once we finish our meal. Cheers. Bye. The food was amazing, and just in case you want to come here if you're on the same route, the name of the hotel is Annapurna. We'll share with you the numbers. Look at the description. Call karke aana. They make fresh food for you on the spur of the moment. It's really so guys, so now look at the view. And the more I look at it, the more mesmerized I get. It's a calming effect that gets over me. It's really beautiful, serene, peaceful. And this area is actually an old Datta Mandir in Devgarh. So we got the car up. If you can see the view, it's really beautiful. We thought of camping here initially, but then we got a better place, like I said. And if we hadn't to get a place to camp, we would have surely camped here. So finally we reached our camping spot. पहुंचे गए यार, बट इसके पीछे भी बहुत मेहनत लगा. काफ़ी सारे लोगों को पूछा, बहुतों ने मना किया. कोई बोलता है कि कैंपिंग इलीगल है, कोई बोलता है कि कैंपिंग यहाँ पे कर नहीं सकते हैं. So finally we met this person, a good Samaritan. He allowed us to camp. His only condition was do not litter. He had a small room and he said कि if we want to use the toilet, we can use that room. We agreed and we are really thankful for him. So yeah, this is the camping spot. We'll take you, and the scenes coming up now will show you how beautiful and mesmerizing this camping spot is. Here you go. It's on top of a cliff, and what's on the other side is the ocean. Spectacular, isn't it? And I think we were lucky. On one side is the ocean, on the other side it was dense forest. So it was spooky, but for now, look at that sun. We thoroughly enjoyed it. And this was the first time camping, so we'll now leave you with some footages of how we set up tent and what did we do, and then we'll also show you the final product. So be with us, guys. And I think just looking at this video while I'm doing the voiceover makes me feel so happy. So here we are. This is a prime real estate, guys, and if you look inside, this is a cozy structure. I think this is good. 3 people, cozy, awesome, safeguarded with the elements, and a fantastic view of the setting sun in the Western Ghats. That's all a man can ask for. That's all a man can ask for. So while there was a little bit of daylight left, we started to cook our dinner, and menu में था veg biryani with paneer stir fry. बढ़िया सा खाना बना लिया हमने, and we were enjoying, or we planned to at least enjoy this scenic beauty, and of course we're a little bit scared for the vast jungle behind us.
हाँ ले रहे.
So guys, day one I think ends inside the tent. If you see here, they're pretty cozy. That's the tent. You got a red dim light hanging for us.
full
And the
गरम वाला
boys
था प्रॉपर
are all ready to sleep. So ठीक है, चलो see you guys. Good night.
अरे
Okay, guys, this is 2 a.m. in the morning, and this is view inside the tent. It's so breezy outside. I want you guys to hear the breeze. The tent walls are caving in. Okay. बस आज के लिए इतना और ये वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं बट प्लीज़ रिमेंबर वॉच आउट फॉर अ सेकेंड एपिसोड बिकॉज उसमें हम दिखाने वाले हैं वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस इन द एंटायर कोकन डिस्ट्रिक्ट डोंट मिस आउट दैट एंड ऑल्सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टू सी वेयर वी कैम्प्ड ऑन द सेकेंड डे एंड ऑफ कोर्स अल्टीमेटली द जर्नी विल वाइंड अप to the north tip of Goa. So stay tuned with Roots and Roads.